Are you scrambling for last minute gift ideas and want something luxury but don't want to pay a lot for it? In this video, I am walking you through 10 department store luxury gifts that you can buy the lady in your life or for yourself if you want a little pampering. Check this out. The first gift sets we're going to walk through are the ones from the Estée Lauder counter. They are amazing skincare sets and a perfume set that you are going to love. Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair 4-piece anti-aging starter set includes Advanced Night Repair Serum, Eye Gel Cream, Nighttime Moisturizer, and Anti-Aging Cream. The benefits are it repairs overnight, reduces visible signs of aging, deeply hydrates, leaving skin smooth and renewed. The Estée Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Skincare Starter Set includes Advanced Night Cleansing Jelly, Advanced Night Repair Serum, Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream, Revitalizing Supreme Night Power Bounce Cream. And the benefits are it cleanses, firms, deeply hydrates, and improves elasticity for lifted, healthy-looking skin. The Estée Lauder Glow Authority Skincare Starter Set includes the Advanced Night Repair Serum Mini, Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream Mini, Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer Mini, Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Eye Balm Mini. The benefits are it hydrates and smooths skin, boosts radiance, refreshes the eye area, and supports a youthful, glowing complexion. The Estée Lauder Sheer Wonders Lip Oil Trio contains lip oils in the shades of Cheer, which is a blush opal, Celebrate, which is a baby pink, and Holiday Muse, which is a mauve berry. The benefits are hydrated lips. They add sheer, shine, and light tints for a holiday-ready glow. The Estée Lauder Mini Fragrance Gift Set contains miniatures of Beautiful, Pleasures, Bronze Goddess, Modern Muse fragrances. The benefits, they're perfect for sampling signature scents or gifting, giving a luxurious fragrance experience. And if you love Elizabeth Arden, check out this holiday gift set from her cosmetics counter in your local department store. Elizabeth Arden Little Icons 6-piece sampler set contains the Privage Anti-Aging Daily Serum, the Privage Anti-Aging Eye Serum, Retinol plus HPR Ceramide Capsules, Retinol plus HPR Water Cream, 8-hour Cream Skin Protectant, and 8-hour Hydra Play Daily Moisturizer. The benefits, they smooth, protect, renew, and hydrate your skin using clinically trusted formulas. And did you think I would go through a list of 10 without adding my favorite Lancome? Ladies, I have 3 makeup and skincare sets that are perfect for last-minute gift ideas from the Lancome counter. Check this out. The Lancome Lash Idole Mascara, Eyelash Curler, and Juicy Tube Lip Gloss set includes the Lash Idole Mascara, a Juicy Tube lip gloss in the shade Miracle Sparkle, and a mini eyelash curler. The benefits are this defines lashes, adds high shine color to lips, and shapes lashes for a polished, party-ready look. Lancome Juicy Tubes Mini Lip Gloss Trio include the shades Miracle, Sparkle, and the shade Lash. The benefits are hydrating glossy lips with festive shimmer and sheer color, perfect for holiday parties. And last but not least is a special gift set, makeup gift set from Clinique that you might not have seen before. Right now, we're going to check that out. The Clinique Kisses Hydrating Longwear Lipstick Set contains hydrating longwear lipsticks in the shades A Different Grape, Sugared Maple, Sugar Pop, and Love Pop. The benefits are moisturizing, long-lasting lip color that won't bleed, ideal for the holidays. And there you have it. 10 luxury beauty gifts that look expensive but are under $50, and they will never know that you spent under $50. Those are the best gifts, right? It could be for your mom, your sister, or even yourself. And you guys, do not forget to check the website at kimsbeautybiz.com because I have a website full of free downloadable resources that you can learn about fashion, makeup, skincare, and even relationships. and leave a comment below if any one of these gift sets might interest you. Till next week, as always, much love.